Welcome back to CarBiz Reviews. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Passat, a car that's redefining what it means to be a mid-size sedan. With a sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, the Passat is back in a big way. Let's take a closer look. Right off the bat, the 2025 Passat makes a statement. The redesigned exterior is bold yet refined. Up front, the illuminated grille and slim LED headlights give it a futuristic look. Along the sides, sharp lines and a coupe-like silhouette add a sporty touch. And check out those 19-inch alloy wheels. They're built to turn heads. The rear is equally striking, with sleek LED taillights connected by a light bar. The subtle spoiler adds just the right amount of aggression. And for those who want even more flair, VW offers an R-Line package with sporty accents and exclusive wheels. Step inside, and you'll find an interior designed for modern comfort. Volkswagen has upped their game with premium materials and a clean, minimalist design. The leather seats are supportive and come with heating and ventilation options. The centerpiece of the cabin is the 15-inch infotainment touchscreen, paired with a customizable 12.3-inch digital cockpit. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system is perfect for audiophiles. Rear passengers get plenty of legroom, making this a great choice for families. And the trunk? It offers 18 cubic feet of cargo space, which is among the best in its class. Under the hood, the 2025 Passat offers two powertrain options. The base model features a 2.0-litre turbocharged engine, producing 201 horsepower, perfect for daily commutes. For those craving more excitement, there's a hybrid variant combining a 1.4-litre engine with an electric motor, delivering 245 horsepower and an impressive 45 miles per gallon combined. Thanks to a finely tuned suspension and available all-wheel drive, the Passat handles corners with confidence while maintaining a smooth, comfortable ride. The 2025 Volkswagen Passat starts at $28,000 for the base model, with the hybrid variant coming in at around $35,000. Given the premium features, stylish design, and VW's renowned build quality, it's a solid value for mid-size sedan buyers. So, is the 2025 Passat the perfect car for you? With its mix of style, comfort, and performance, it just might be. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take on the cars overdue for replacement in 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CarBiz Reviews for more amazing car content, from the latest models to industry trends.